Before you can use this key programmer, you need to check that you have a master key. Most Toyota keys are master keys, so that's good. Occasionally there are a few called valet key. Here's how you find out. I'm Mike with Tom's Key Company. Let me show you how easy this is. There's a couple ways you can identify which one's valet, which one's master. One is the glove box. The valet won't open it, the master key will. Another way, find the blinking red light. So you gotta look around, find the blinking red light. Sometimes it's over near the radio, sometimes it can be up above. It can even be over here, and on a few cars, all the way over to the far left side of the steering wheel. On this L3 4Runner, we've got a blinking red security light right here. When we insert the valet key, it turns solid for a moment, okay? Whereas the master key, that's the black head, when you insert it, it just turns off. So you need to be sure you're using a master key to do this program. If you have a valet key, you're going to need to reach out to us, help at Tom's Key Company, where we might be able to help you with our more advanced Tom's Car Key Programmer model TSL2. So what are you waiting for? Visit tomskey.com today. We specialize in helping people like you with do-it-yourself car key programming solutions that'll save you tons of money over the cost of car dealership charges, and it doesn't take any time. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.